Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Microsoft Rewards on your phone and signing in. Make sure your account region allows Xbox gift cards. Once signed in, focus on the daily sets and search bonus because those add steady points. Use the search bar, complete the quiz tiles, and run a few quick Xbox app tasks to build a base. Make sure to monitor the points counter so you know when you hit the first gift card threshold. This is the first actionable step that unlocks purchase options. Once you have enough points, redeem them for a Microsoft or Xbox digital gift card. Pick the denomination that matches Robux packages. After selecting, confirm your email and choose Instant Digital Delivery. This sends a code to your inbox or displays it immediately. Copy the code carefully. Once the code appears, store it in a secure note on your phone so you don't mistype it later. This step converts points into spendable credit that you will use on Roblox, so accuracy matters for a smooth transfer. You finish by opening Roblox on mobile and signing into the account you want to fund. Then go to the Robux or gift card redemption area. On mobile browser, choose Redeem Roblox Card. The app directs you to the same flow. Paste the Xbox/Microsoft gift code where requested and follow prompts to convert credit into Robux. Sometimes you purchase Robux using the Xbox credit instead, so choose that option if available. If redemption fails, check region settings and clear cache, then retry. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.